In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your Wix website. This process will help you effectively manage your email marketing efforts right from your website, giving you the power to stay connected with your audience. Let's dive right in and get started on this integration journey. First, head over to your Wix website. If you're already on the main dashboard, that's perfect. If not, go ahead and log in, and you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Wix site. Now, what you need to do is look for the Apps section on your dashboard, usually located on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will take you to a page filled with additional features and tools you can add to your website. Next, you'll want to find the App Market. You'll see it under the Apps section as a clickable link. Once you've entered the App Market, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is your key to finding Mailchimp quickly among the multitude of apps available. So go ahead and type Mailchimp into the search bar. Once you've entered Mailchimp and executed the search, you should see Mailchimp as a prominent choice in the search results. Click on it to view more details about the app. You'll see an overview of what Mailchimp can do and perhaps some reviews from other Wix users. When you're ready to proceed, there will be a visible option that says Add to Site. Click on that to begin the installation process. After clicking Add to Site, you'll be shown a series of prompts on your screen. It's crucial to follow these prompts carefully. They are designed to make sure that Mailchimp is installed correctly on your Wix site. Trust the instructions. They'll walk you through the necessary steps one by one, ensuring that you connect Mailchimp to your Wix site without any hiccups. Once you've completed the installation process, the system will guide you through connecting Mailchimp to your Wix site. This ensures that your email marketing tools are fully integrated and ready to go. The connection allows you to use Mailchimp's powerful features directly from Wix, giving you an efficient way to manage newsletters, email campaigns, and subscriber lists. And there you have it. That's everything you need to do to integrate Mailchimp with your Wix website. With these steps, you've enabled a smooth communication channel with your audience, letting you focus on what matters most, engaging your subscribers effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.